Hi, welcome to this session number 6 on programming with Microbit. So, in this session, we are going to see about how to program sensors and download our code to the Microbit. So, let us begin very well with the first sensor, which we are going to see about connecting our speakers. So, I was very small presentation to show you just to give an idea how the speakers work. So, now, for this tutorial, I have the speaker. You can see on my this camera screen. There is one speaker. This is a piezoelectric speakers. So what and how the speaker work is that once you are going to apply some voltage to the speakers, then the atoms and molecules inside this piezoelectric material, they are going to change shape or maybe oscillate like this. So, with this vibration, then what we are going to interpret it as sound. So, depending upon the beats or the frequency, our this thing will produce some different sounds. Okay, and what are the uh, items we need is that we need a microbit. So yes, we need a microbit. We need a speakers, and we need some kind of a wires which are jumper wires. But as you can see is that if I press, their mouth will open like a crocodile. So they are normally called as a crocodile or a alligator clips. So this you can easily get from the market. They're quite cheap also. So for this project, we require two wires for connecting our speakers in this fashion. Okay. So now let us quickly go to our earlier website or web page where we have done most of our programming. So I have used the same web page called as makecode.microbit.org. And in this, I have made my login so that I can see my earlier projects also, whatever I have made earlier. Perfect. So let me open my one project called as a music speaker, which I have made as a tutorial for this lecture series. Okay. So we have this basic block called as a start, forever, and some input block which will run some our music. So all the music tabs are shown in kind of a red blocks. You can see that these are the tabs which are coming on the music block. The music block is straight away here. So if I click a music button, then what you can see is that I can have a kind of a this kind of a tabs. Perfect. So I can select some tabs in my code like I have done here and I've copied it here. So already this tab is copied, so I will delete it. So first of all, let us make our connections like this. And before that, we have to copy our codes to our microbit. So let me first of all copy this code to my microbit. I hope you have understood this code. So this code is very much simple. On button A pressed, this is going to play some melody. You can select whatever melody you like by clicking on buttons like this. Okay. So and you can select the tempo, which may be some how fast you want to play it or how slow you want to make it. Okay. So now let us copy this code to a microbit. So first of all, I will connect my microbit to my computer using this USB cable. Once I connect this my computer to my USB cable, uh, my this details about microbit will open up. Okay. And it is showing connected to my microbit. So already this microbit is now connected to my computer. So I will download the code here. So once I press the download button, it is showing downloading, and the code has downloaded. Perfect. So now my computer is connected to this microbit. So now I have to make the connection. So connection, as you can see, is that one pin should go to the ground, which is at the top of the speaker pin. So let us connect the ground pin first. This goes to the ground, and let me connect it to the top of the speaker or the this point of the speaker. So this is done, and my voltage point, which is coming from P0, that is this pin. Let me connect it to the this portion of the pin. Okay. So make sure the connections are tight. So now that my connections are done, you can see the code is working up. So it is saying that whenever I am going to press a button A, the speaker is going to produce some sound. The speaker is this one, so it is going to produce some sound. So let me play the button A, or press the button A. Perfect. So you have heard the sound, whatever I have done the programming of sound here, it is coming through my actual device, which is the speaker now, and not through my simulator now. Okay. So in this way, you can do a lot of coding. With this one, you can make your own piano systems, you can make your own background musics, and many things you can try with this Microbit version 1 and version 2. Version 2, of course, have some more support for some tunes, which you can try it out. Okay. So I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial and happy coding. So meet you in the next lecture where we'll see some more sensors and how to integrate a microbit to some more real sensors like temperature sensor, humidity one, the servo motors and all. Thank you for watching this lecture. Bye.